Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a flip through on the folio that I finished, the Red Autumn folio. So this is the top here, and I just did some mix and match kind of pieces on it and kind of collaged it all together with fall looking colors. And then there's some napkin that I glued down here and put a cover over it so it wouldn't come off. And the journal or the folio is 5 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall, and it's a 1/2 inch signature, 1/2 inch spine, and this tied with a jute tie. Then this is a little elastic closure that you can just wrap around and close the book. And there's something in my way. Hold on. Oh. Sorry about that. I wouldn't lay down. In here in the front cover is a journal card. And then we have this little pocket here, which was Roxy Creations' weekly challenge. I thought it was so cute. It's like a little tab here on the side, and then inside here you could put another piece of ephemera. This is just a plain page, and you could put your own ephemera on there. You could put add a writing piece of paper or a photograph or something like that. Here's 2 writing pages here. This is vintage school paper. Here's a pocket with a little pull-out journal card, and then inside here we have journal space for writing, and you could write on the back as well, and that fits right in that little pocket there. And this is just some from a high school newsletter. I think it was typed, and it was just really cool paper. This is a digital that I got. It was a collage type, Red Autumn. I put some lace down the side of this page. It's just a place to write. In here is an envelope, and I put a journal card with the birds on it. I love the birds, and that goes in there. Plus you could fill it with much more if you'd like. Another journaling space, and then back here we have a corner pocket and a journal tag here, and this is just a little journal page that I put in there. A little sticker on this one. Journaling here and journaling there. And there. And that's the other side of that paper. And then this is out of a 1957 almanac book, and you can open it up and read whatever it's got on those pages. Another blank page for journaling. In here I have a journal tag, and then here is a journal card for journaling on. It's just plain, that sits back there. Then the same thing here, tag, and then another journaling card, and this is the center of the signature. Oh, and there's 56 pages total, and then I tied it with that jute twine. Here's the other side of that almanac, and so here's some. Oh, that one you can't pull down. So, and I put this tape here because I wanted the rustic paper clip on there, but I didn't want to rip the paper. Here we have a little tuck with a little tag in there to write on the back of that. It's all sewn there. Journal pages. And this one, I put a cute little journal card in there. The tab. This was made from a junk mail envelope, and I just collaged it. This back here is just a little fold up paper that you can write on, journal on that. And I just clipped it in here with this owl clip. Let's see. I had a hard time getting it clipped. I don't know. Well, maybe there. Okay. And here's a tag here, collaged, sewed, pocket, journaling, and a little piece of ephemera, digital paper, more of that school paper. And this side here is like two little specimen windows, and they have little journal cards in them here and here. It has the acetate on the windows, and that's the vintage school paper. And then my signature, my stamp. Another page you can put a photograph. This is the one that I made with Rachel, but this one I made as a belly band. So that card just sticks up in there, but you still have the little tab on the side, which I think looks cool. And then there's a place to tuck back there. And then here we have a little writing spot, just folded papers, a little collage on the front, and a tag. And then it has a journal card on the side here. This is also out of a envelope, and it wraps around, well, it wraps around this part of the page. Then on this side we have another tag here that comes out, and you can write on the back of that. And then I just put it on that page and clipped it up here to keep it in place. And here's another journal card here. And then we flip this over, and we have an envelope here, and I paper clipped this on. Did I? No. I glued the paper clip right to the page. That's what I did. Forgot about that. And then in here we have a little inside folio here with journal cards that are in these little pockets that we made. Journal card there, journal card here. So I think that's cute. And it just tucks under here, and sits right there in that spot. And then here we have the little policy envelope that I did, and a journal card here in this top pocket, and then writing space in here, or you could put another pocket if you chose. And then we have a journaling card in here. Okay, and that's glued down. And then there's a spot here that I left open at the top and the bottom to put a tag or a journal card. It's a little tough to slide it down. So I'll just close that up. And then that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that series, me making this, and I enjoyed doing a folio. I haven't done one for a while, so it was fun to do. So this will be listed on my Big Cartel website, and I'll put it like in the first sentence or whatever of the description, so you don't have to hunt for it. And yeah, if you're interested in this, I would love for you to have it, and yeah, it'll have a good home. Okay, so thanks for watching. I feel like I'm not saying enough, but you know, this wasn't that big. So it's compact, but it does have 56 pages in it, so there's a lot of journal space in here if you want to use it, you know, just for the fall through Christmas. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.